Thinking about starting an LLC in New York? One thing many overlook is the publication requirement, sometimes called a costly hurdle that can sneak up on new entrepreneurs. Here's the scoop. Within 120 days of forming your LLC, you're required to publish a notice of your business formation in 2 newspapers in the same county as your principal address for 6 consecutive weeks, and then file a certificate of publication with the New York Department of State. Miss that? You could face some serious setbacks, including limits on your ability to use the courts or even the risk of losing your good standing. But here's the good news. You don't have to let this blow up your startup budget. One way to keep costs manageable is by choosing a publication location where fees are lower. Say counties like Albany or other less expensive areas. Working with a service like FilingFox can be a game changer here. They can help set your address in an affordable county, often just using their address until you're ready to lease your own space. For the actual process, you'll need to publish in 2 newspapers, 1 daily and 1 weekly, in your county for 6 straight weeks. After that, the newspapers will send you affidavits of publication, which you then submit along with a $50 fee to the state, along with your certificate of publication. Make sure to follow the format guidelines for the notice, which FilingFox can help you with. Not meeting this requirement isn't just a procedural mistake. It can prevent your LLC from being able to sue in New York courts and might even jeopardize your corporate protections. Some entrepreneurs prefer the wait-and-see approach. They form the LLC but delay the publication, waiting to see if the business gains traction. If it does, great. You simply complete the requirement afterward. If not, dissolving the LLC isn't hard, saving some initial costs and hassle. The real takeaway? You've got options to manage this process smartly. Whether choosing a lower-cost county for publication, using professional services like FilingFox to handle filings and notices, or just timing your compliance, staying on top of these rules is key. Failing to do so could mean losing access to courts or risking the legal protections your LLC provides. If you want to learn more about how to navigate these rules smoothly, check out resources like howtostartllc.com, where you'll find straightforward guides and tips to keep your business moving forward without surprises. Remember, getting professional advice from FilingFox can make this process simpler and more affordable, freeing you up to focus on growing your new venture.